everyone, it's Jen from Jen DuBell Designs, and today I'm super excited to show you what I'll be working with for the October Seasons of Creativity box. If you're not familiar with the Seasons of Creativity or you're not already signed up, it is a subscription box packed with lots of fun projects done by the Country Craft Creations design team members and Tamara herself. And it is sent out every February 10th, June 10th, and October 10th. Sorry, my brain is not working today. So anyways, this time for October, I am going to be working with the 49 and Market Vintage Orchard collection. And this is a gorgeous collection, as are all 49 and Market. This one, I have the 6x8 collection. I also have the acetate assortment, which is 48 die cut shapes. And I'm going to pull a couple of these out and show you what is in here. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to create just yet, but I'm sure it'll be an album or folio of some sort. And it looks like I have lots of fun little frames here, so I probably will definitely, not probably definitely, but definitely will be using some of these. These are acetate, so super fun. And let me just flip this over and I can show you the back side of this, which shows all of the pieces that come in this. Lots of fun pieces there. All right, I am going to put these back in the container, into the plastic that they came in, so I don't lose any of them. I don't want to do that. So yes, SOC is Seasons of Creativity is super fun. I have had the pleasure of making a project for it. This will be my third in a row. It's super duper fun to do, and lots of fun projects, and you get exclusive tutorials, as well as an exclusive group on Facebook where you can ask questions of the designers and have them answered right there for you. Lots and lots of fun stuff. So let me just get this closed up. It's kind of not letting me. So I also have some seam binding here, which is a gorgeous color and matches perfectly. I have the coordinating solids for this collection, and as you can see here, they are these are just vintage. Vintage Orchard solids papers 2, 3, and 4. So there must be a 1. Did I not have a 1? I guess I don't have a 1. But you can reverse the colors. It's like a burlap. It's like lighter green tones here, kind of a lime here, a tan there, and then they're darker on the back, and it's a little bit different design. And then I have sliding photo pockets, my memory book. These are a Tonic Studios, and these look super fun. I have never used these before, so you will find these. Oh, I see. They show them here. So they slide in and out. So you have like a actual frame that you can adhere. Oh, fun. So you adhere this, and then you can put a picture on this and slide it in and out of that envelope. Well, that's super fun. So that is those. And let's dive into the really gorgeous paper collection as well. So this is, again, Vintage Orchard, and this is the 6x8. So when you flip over the back, which shows you everything, you have this paper here. And then the front one that tells you that the pack includes a total of 24 sheets, 2 of each 12-sided, 12 double-sided pattern papers, plus 2 extra patterns on the inside of the covers. That is these 2 here. Gorgeous. So then we have these 2 here. These 2 here. And I will show these to you as I go. We have these 2. There's that kind of burlappy color again. And I'm showing these way. This is A and this is the B side. Here we have the A and the B side of this one. There's some apples in there. Super fun birds on these ones. Just gorgeous paper. I'm loving this collection already. And I can't wait to dive in and get designing for this. And then last but not least, you have this gorgeous wood look with this. So that is my kit for the October Seasons of Creativity. I hope that you grab this box. This is just one of several kits. And this is the one that I will be working with. I hope that you join us for SOC. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.